Okay, next as an order directed tree or ordered tree, we can say. Ordered tree means it is coming from a directed graph, because from the directed graph ordered tree is coming. For example, this is an ordered tree. First condition says that it has a root. What do you mean by root? I have already said in the previous part of the tree, that is root as the one. It is a distinguished vertex which has no predecessors. What do you mean by predecessor? No edge coming to it. In directed, it is very simple. No edge coming to a vertex is called what? A root. A root as a distinguished vertex with have no edge coming it. No edge coming mean it, that is meant by what? No predecessor. Predecessor means an edge or a vertex connecting to a vertex. For example, V2 predecessor is called V1, because from where the edge to V2 coming, the from V1 vertex. So V1 is the predecessor of what? V2. So here V1 has no V2 has a predecessor, that is called V1, but V1 has no edge coming from any other vertex. So V1 has no predecessor. So that is called what? Root. Next condition, it says that there is a directed path from root to every other vertex. For example, if we have a vertex here, it must also have a directed path, that is from root, that is from the topmost to the bottommost, we must have a directed path. That is called the second condition. Third condition is that every vertex except root has only exactly one predecessor. Except root, root has no predecessors, but all other vertex must have one predecessor. For example, here node V4 has predecessor V2, V5 has predecessor V2, and V2 has predecessor V1, V3 has predecessor what? V1, and V1 has no predecessor. All other except root must have predecessor. Next one, if you are taking successor, it is ordered from the left. For example, predecessor of V2 is V1, but successors of V2 is V4 and V5. So when we write successor, we first write from the leftmost. First write V4, then V5 only. We will not write first V5 and then V4. That is, it is ordered from the leftmost. Okay, this is called the ordered tree. Ordered tree means it is coming from a directed graph, and every vertex pairs is connected with not every vertex pairs is connected. If there is a connection between vertex pairs, it is connected with a directed edge, and also there is a directed path from root to other vertex. That is, from root there must be a path to every other vertex. And next one, it says that root has no predecessor, but all other vertex must have at least one predecessor. That is, at least not exactly one, only one predecessor must have. And when we are taking successors, it must be ordered from the left, not the right. That is called what? Ordered directed tree. Next, we are saying some definition. This is a general tree. This is a general tree. This is a general tree. Sorry, I am not writing any. This is called what? General tree. From root we have n number of vertices coming in. Next is a binary tree. Binary tree means here degree of V1 or degree of the root is what? N, because from n number of vertices is connected, so its degree is n, because this is not directed. If it is not directed, we can take incoming and outgoing is marked similarly. So we can take what I've already said, we can take this way also, to here also we can take. So here degree is what? N. Okay. Next is a binary tree. Binary tree says that if the degree of root is 2, it is called what? Binary tree. And all other vertices are having degree what? 1 or 3. For example, this here, this vertex is having degree what? 3. This vertices is having degree what? 1. That is meant by root have degree 2, all other vertices are having degree 1. Here degree 1, here degree 1. What do you mean by son of a vertex is a successor of V? The word, for example, this vertex successors are called this and this, isn't it? So these are called what? Sons of the vertex. What do you mean by father of vertex? Father means predecessor. These vertices, father is what? This vertex. So this is called the predecessor of the vertex. If there is a directed graph from V1 and V2, what? V1 is called the ancestor, that is predecessor is called the ancestor, and successor is called what? The descendant. Once again I say, successor, predecessor is the main concept. Successors is called the son, and predecessor is called the father. Again, predecessor is called the ancestor and successor is called the descendant. Then if you are counting, for example, path from here, this is 1 and this is here 3. I name it as 1 and 3. So length of the path is, count the number of edges. Here one edge, here one edge, so 2 edges. So the length of the path is what? 2. Okay, I will erase it and draw once again. So this, when we are going to this vertex is numbered as 1, this vertex is numbered as 3. So length of the path 1 2 3 is, count the number of edges, 1 1. So 1 plus 1 2. So path length is what? Length of the path or path length is 2. Then height of the tree is the longest path. For example, this is the tree. This is the whole tree we are considering. That is, we are considering this whole tree. This whole tree we are considering. When you take for the height of the tree, you take the longest path. For example, here the path length is 2, here the path length is 3. So the height of the tree is what? 3 it will be. Okay. Next is level. Level means take the path up to that vertex, so that is the level. For example, here the level of this, for example, this is 3. Level of the path length up to here, the path length up to here is 1, so the level of 3 is 1. So take for 2, path length up to here it is 2, so the level is 2. Here also path length up to here it is 2, so level is what? 2. What is the level of this node? Level is 3 because path length up to here is 3. So level means path length up to that vertex is called the level of that vertex. That's all about tree. So thank you. We have seen what you meant by ordered tree. What is the path length? What is the height? What is the son? What is the successor? What is the predecessor? What is a tree? And what is ordered directed tree. These are most important concept. Tree is a vast concept, but because in TOC we use this structure, so we have discussed graph and tree. That is the most important nonlinear data structure or data structure we are using in theory of computation. So keep watch my video and understand the concept clearly. Thank you. Keep safe, keep healthy.